Hey, what's up, people? How you guys doing? Yeah, I know I was lost. But look at this, look at this. I'll fix that thing, and now this thing is fixed. It's running, up and running. I was late. I know I didn't post nothing yet, but it was Christmas. I was out, and I did some stuff on the car that I didn't tell you because actually I didn't have time. It was too cold, and then I don't wanna be doing nothing. But this is the update. Trunk is open. It's working. Boom. I just need to put the cover back there. I'm gonna do that today. I'm gonna start cleaning it. I just changed both of the rear caliper, that one and the other side. They both they were bad. They were stuck, so I just went with brand new ones, brand new pads, all four tires, brakes, all brakes are good. So this thing, it was bad. Trying to fix it, it didn't work. Can't buy a new one. Look at this. I went to buy this one. Pretty good, cheap, it worked. Yeah, look like that. Now the only thing I need to do is cleaning this guy. Everything good, all fluid is working good, battery is brand new. So I got the oil there. I'm gonna change the oil later, but now the only thing I need to do is cleaning it. That I just take it out because I was fixing the door. That's the other thing I did. Look, I need to clean that. This is the thing, I need to see how I clean this one. It's paint, house paint. I need to see how I clean this one, but I think that's the only hard part I'm gonna have for cleaning it. But everything else, I dismount that just to get rid, like open this one, but it's good. I was able to almost clean this wheel, so I still have some work to do, but it worked. I have what I used was orange degreaser from Chemical Guys. Great thing, great product. Look how it did thing clean. Just that and a small brush. Brand new caliper, like I say. This door, boom chakalaka. Boom, look at that. So I didn't put that one back because I'm gonna clean it, so it's better if it's out. What I'm gonna start doing today, I'm gonna rip all the seats. I'm gonna disconnect the battery so no airbag lights come on. I'm gonna clean this bad boy because the only thing I need to do is clean this thing to make it work. But it worked. I drove it to the gas station, put some gas, put back the front bumper. Lights is good. I fixed something there. I trying to fix it the best I can. Yeah, they're not brand new, but it's better than before. So yeah, put it back together. This one, like I told you, someone when I scratch it, look like it pop it up. It technically was putting together, and that is working. I already have the air filter. Throttle is clean. Everything is working good. There's no leaking. There's nothing. The only thing I need to do the engine is oil change and clean this thing. So look at this. Look how it look like. So when I finish with this guy, it's gonna look different. Then after that, I'm gonna go with the paint, stuff like that. Windshield, I'm not gonna go with that one. Look like that. We're in Tennessee. They don't care about that one. This one, okay. About this thing, look like the paint was fake. Okay, so I'm not gonna play too much with this one. But yeah, again, the thing is, I have a cheap car that it worked, reliable for kids or someone that needs something to move back and forth. It looking good. Okay, so it been off for a while, and take a look at this one. I'm gonna clean it. It's gonna look different. This one I have a subwoofer. I need to see. I think I'm gonna remove this fabric from here. For me, this one look better, so I'm gonna delete this one from here. But this thing is gonna look different. Watch it, okay? So keep posted. Check. I'm gonna fix this thing. Well guys, that you can see it, I just cleaned something. Okay, this is something, it's not the best thing, but look, you can see the difference between before and after. So remove the glove box because it have sugar. You got some weird stuff. Look at this, look at this. You got sugar there, that's sugar. So I'm gonna clean that. Heater out, that heater's out. I need to fix that one. For some reason the mechanism to go back and forth, like you move the slide, the seat back and forth, it's not working. I think it's just stuck, it's just dirty, but that's pretty sure it's easy to fix. But I removed the center console, the cup side, that just pulled it out. That way I can clean that easy. Use that. Let me show you the back. Remove all the stuff on the back wheel. That's the worst, but this one was clean. Spare tire, all this stuff, the components for the spare tire. Let's remove the seats, and this is all the side. This is the driver's side. Look at, it's better than that. Okay, light is not good right now, but it's going dark, so I'm gonna stop right now and I keep going. I'm gonna start working with all this stuff right now. So you can see the difference right now on before and after. All this stuff was full with toys, bunch of coins, toys, fries, stuff. It's been here like years. This car have years that have been clean. Next thing I'm gonna do is trying to remove this subwoofer. I don't know how to do it, but I need to remove it. It's kind of like loose, but look, I'm gonna find out with that. But this is all for today, guys. I'm gonna keep doing videos with the status of the car. Tomorrow I'm gonna start working with those seats and start cleaning it, everything I can. I get the shampoo. The seat belt look like it needs some grease. It's pulling up, but not all the way through, but everything's good. Again, this car, everything is working, everything is fine. Just now, the only thing is just deep clean, and that's what we're doing right now. Okay, well, you see it, this is what I did today. If you guys want to see what is next, please subscribe to the channel, hit that bell so you know when I post a new video. Subscribe to the Instagram page and keep watching. Thank you for your support. See you guys later. Bye.